Every time mom makes soup with these pork bone, oh, this is my favorite part, is the inside of the bone, the pork bone marrow, and it's so creamy and rich, and these outside parts are yummy too. A lot of people just drink the soup, but my favorite part, I'm not even gonna kid you and completely honest, is this part right here. When you dig into it, oh my goodness, look at that. Delicious. This part is really yummy too. Oh, so yummy. I think it's full of collagen. That's what my mom says. It's not the fatty pieces, it's actually the tendon that's in the soup that's softened. And I dip it in my favorite sauce. Chili oil, actually chili crisp, oyster sauce and soy sauce. So good. Oh my goodness, look what Owen scored. That's huge. I'm so jelly.
Thank you.
So lucky.
Oh, there's way more.
Oh, there's score.
Oh no.
I love it. You gotta slurp it up.